Photo, Heading, Icon, and Icon Group Overview. Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to show you how to use a combination of modules to create a more comprehensive and professional layout. This style of editing is closer to how you might edit when creating a page. In this video we will be using the heading, photo, icon, and icon group elements to introduce Jane Doe, the realtor, to her clients. So without further ado, let's begin. As usual, log in and open Page Builder. Then click on the button with a plus sign on it located on the top right-hand corner of the screen. From the tabs located at the very top, click on Rows. Here you can drag and drop any column layout onto your page. Then, to add content to the columns, click on the Modules tab, and under the Content section, you'll find all of the modules we will be working with today. So let's begin with the Photo module. Simply drag and drop this into any column and the settings will open up. Beginning in the General tab, we'll start by picking the source of our photo, then the photo itself. Then, with the drop-down to the left of the photo, you can change its size. With the Crop drop-down, you can change the shape of the image. You can choose to make it horizontal, a square, a circle, or etc. And with the Alignment drop-down, you can choose where the photo is aligned within the column. The Caption section pertains to the caption of the photo you've selected. If you scroll up and click on the Edit button of that photo, your media library will open up. Here, if you look on the right-hand side, you'll find some options to edit the description of the photo. The Caption text box is the one that will be affected by the Caption section. Also, just as a quick note, the Alt text option you see here, also known as Alternative text, is a text that your website will show if an image can't be displayed for some reason. It's also useful for search engines and users with low vision who may use screen readers. So, make sure the alt text is a simple and short description of what the user needs to know about the photo but may not be able to see. Moving on. After typing something into the caption box, you can go back and with the Show Caption drop-down, you can choose if the caption comes out at all, if the caption only appears if somebody hovers their mouse over it, or have it always be visible at the bottom of the photo. Moving on to the Link section. Here, you can turn the photo into a link and choose where the user will be linked to. If you choose a URL, you can type that into the link URL box and choose if you want the link to be opened in the same window or a new one. Now let's go over the Advanced tab. Here you can adjust the margin size in any direction, which is how far the column's border will be from other elements in the row. You can also customize the margins for different devices with this little icon to the right of the title. You can pick from phone, tablet, and desktop. Next, with the Responsive Layout Display drop-down, you can choose what kind of devices this photo is able to be viewed from. Under the Visibility Display drop-down, you can pick what kind of users can see this element. In the Animation Style drop-down, you can choose how the photo emerges on the page when a user first opens it, as well as how long of a delay there will be before it appears on the page. And finally, the HTML element is useful for you if you have custom CSS or JavaScript because you can easily assign a custom ID or class to this element. Okay, that wraps up the Photo module. Let's now go back to the Modules tab and drag and drop the Heading module into a column. This will open the Heading settings where we will begin working with the General tab. Here you can type what you like into the heading box. Then, if you would like to turn the heading into a link, type in the URL into the link box here, then choose if you want the link to be opened in the same window or a new one with the Link Target dropdown. Moving on to the Style tab. Under Color, you can change the text color. Then, under the Structure section, you can change the alignment of the heading within the column. You can also change the HTML tag, which is a very important accessibility feature, especially if someone is using a screen reader. The HTML tag essentially tells the screen reader what to read first, second, and so on. So, for example, if the title of the page is meant to be read before the name of the realtor, you would assign the title of the page the H1 tag and the name of the realtor the H2 tag. Next, you can change the font and how bold that font is, along with the font size, line height, and letter spacing. Now, under the mobile structure, excluding the HTML tag, you can customize all of the same features I just went over, but these will be adapted to the mobile devices. And finally, the Advanced tab. Now the Headings Advanced tab and the Photos Advanced tab both have the same editing components, so all of the information I went over in the Photos Advanced tab is transferable to this one. That's everything for the headings. Now let's go back to the Modules tab and drag and drop the icon module into another column. Beginning in the General tab, here you can start by picking an icon from the available database. You can also search for specific icons using the search bar located on the top right-hand corner of this page. Then, if you would like to turn the icon into a link, type in the URL into the link box here, then choose if you want the link to be opened in the same window or a new one with the Link Target dropdown. Also, under Text, you can type in something in this text box here that will appear next to the icon that you have chosen. Then, in the Style tab, under Colors, you can change the color of the icon and its hover color, which is the color the icon will change into when a user hovers their mouse over it. Additionally, you can give the icon a background color, which will be in the shape of a circle, and again, you can select a unique color for the icon's background hover color. Under Icon Structure, you can change the size of the icon and its alignment within the column. And under the Mobile Structure, you can customize how the icon will be aligned when being viewed from a mobile device. Regarding the Advanced tab, again, the components within this tab are the same as the Photos and Headings Advanced tab. Now, let's go over the Icon Group module. Editing this module will be very similar to how we edited the Icon module, the biggest difference being that the edits will be applied to multiple icons. So, let's begin by dragging and dropping that module into a column. Then, let's start in the Icon tab. Here, simply click on Edit Icon and you will be given the choice between picking an icon from the available database or for searching for one using a URL. To choose an icon from the database, click on Select Icon. Because Icon Group is commonly used as an easy way to group a person's social media icons together, I will be picking a few well-known social media platform icons. Once you've selected an icon, click Save. Then you can continue picking more icons by clicking on Add Icon. Now, on the top left-hand corner of each icon, you will find that they have been numbered. And on the right-hand corner of each icon, you can change the order of the icons, duplicate the icon, or remove it. Now, in the Style tab, just like with the icon module, under Colors, you can change the color of the icons and their hover color. You can also give the icons a background color and a background hover color. Under Icon Structure, you can change the size of the icons along with the spacing between them and their alignment within the column. And finally, the Advanced tab. Again, the components within this tab are the same as the Photos, Headings, and Icons Advanced tab. Please reference the Photos Advanced tab for guidance in this area. Alright, that's all I have for you today. To learn more about Page Builder and other HJI products, subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our Page Builder playlist. Thanks for watching. Bye.